Mother Nature is one of the most valuable gifts we receive from Almighty. Hello everyone, my name is Hriday from Grade 1 PICT Model School. Today I am going to share my thoughts about Saga of the Nature. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Pleasant morning with beautiful humming birds, skies filled with clouds. Everything in nature made up of 5 basic elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. All luxuries that we have right now come from nature. Furniture, electronic, paper, even the sources to purchase all things money come from nature. We all are somehow dependent on nature for all our need. But the situation is changing now. As you know, the water level are rising, the ozone layer is depleting, and temperature are increasing, and so on. The time has come. Nature is hinting at us. We need to remember that we are only tenants on this planet. We have no right to destroy it. Like Gandhiji said, there is enough for everybody's need and not for everybody's greed. So protect Mother Nature with 100% of your heart and build home for next generation. Thank you.